Eat a raw egg. The thing is, I know I told you no to 2 dares, but I didn't have an egg, and I wasn't gonna get sick doing a toothbrush down the toilet. Just eat a raw egg for me and call it a day for the dare, please. Do you have an egg? There you go. All right. There we go. That's better. Right. There we go. Okay. You okay, guys? I do have a life, actually. I have work tomorrow. So, but thank you, though. What are you looking at, mouse? Is that a mouse? What are you doing? There's no mouse over there, Enzo. He's like looking at something. He's like, what is that? Gabby, you okay? Let's see it. Do it. Go for it. Dump it. Well, don't dump it, but. Where's my pen thingy?
I feel so sick to my fucking stomach. I'm gonna throw up. Just think about it. Oh my god.
I can't hear her.
Dude, I feel that nauseous. Oh my god. I'm gonna throw up. Hang on.
Oh, man. Do you want another one? Do you want another dare? I'll give you another dare. I'll be nice to you about that. I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Do you want another dare? Just nod your head yes. You want yeah? You want another dare? You don't like that one?
I did it before.
I can't hear you. Guys, what is she saying? I can't hear her. Are you gonna do it or no? I'm waiting.
It's not gonna kill me. It's not gonna kill me.
No, my volume's. Oh, I can hear it now. My volume was down. Thank you.
It's not gonna kill me. It's not gonna kill me. It's not gonna kill me. It's not gonna.
Are you gonna do it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, she's really gonna do it. Yeah! Yeah! You did it, Gabby. Good job. Good job. I'm so proud of you. I am so proud of you, Gabby. Good job. Good job. Good job. I bet that had to taste really disgusting. Thank you for finishing the bet. Thank you. Nice job. Nice job. You okay? Yeah? You sure? Oh, okay. Are you going to bed soon? Yeah, you going to bed soon? Yeah. It's getting late for you, isn't it? Why am I doing a dancing thing? I want to see it. Danny, your hair looks great. Thank you. You okay?
Yeah.
You okay? You gonna throw up? No, I'm really concerned. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I cannot. My volume's all the way up. Enzo. Enzo. Okay. Okay. Enzo. Enzo. There's a mouse. 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 Oh my God. Enzo. Enzo. Leave it alone. Enzo. Okay, we're done. Enzo, get off. Okay. No, I'm not lying. No, stop. Enzo. No, I'm not. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Enzo. No, it's not funny. It's not funny. It's not funny. Enzo, okay. No, it's not funny. It's not funny. You guys, Enzo's gonna get them out. He sees something. I know he does. Okay, you know what? I'm done. I said good day. Okay, I said good day. Let him get it. Oh. I hope it's just a bug. But Enzo does not do that. Oh my God.
Oh my God,
No,
I'm
it's not funny.
farting. Dude, I think it's gonna come out from both ends. Oh my God. No, it's not funny right now. This is so embarrassing.
You know, it's a mouse. It's a mouse.
This is so embarrassing for
No,
me.
it's a mouse. It's a mouse. I'm gonna lose my shit. I'm gonna lose my living shit.
Uh-huh.
Oh my God, there's a mouse on the loose, okay? No, I'm telling you right now. No, look at him. You guys get to watch him. Just watch him.
Dude, I'm so sick to my stomach. I feel so nauseous.
Oh, I'm not pulling the stove out. Oh, you out of your desk. Do it, little.
No, it's coming out from both ends.
Enzo, you okay? Enzo? Okay, Enzo. I know you can listen to me, dude. Seriously, you're freaking your mother out. Let's not think that there's a mouse in here, okay? Let's just go to bed. How about we lay down? Yeah, I think that might be a good idea. Yeah. Oh heck no, man. You out of your donkey longs right now. Oh my God.
Danny, move the
I really think that there's a mouse in there.
Move the stove. Move
I
the
can't hear
stove.
you.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh my God. I'm telling you, if Enzo goes back to that spot, there's a mouse. If Enzo goes back to that spot, there's a mouse.
There's a mouse.
He's right here. He's right here. He's right by the stove. Something is in the stove.
You're in the fucking stove.
Oh my God.
Worst thing ever. Oh my God.
Oh yeah, that might be a smart thing. Let him get it. Yeah, let him get it. Just let him get it. Oh my God. I will scream if there's a mouse. There he goes. I'm telling you, look. Look at him. I'm telling you, there's a mouse. So look at it. I told you. Guys, help me. Help me, please. Help me. You guys, I don't do this shit.
I have a thing in my arm. It's very, I can't not get pregnant.
I'm not opening my cats. Enzo, I don't know what you're doing over there. But God, so really, Gabby?
I'm so sorry. I feel so nauseous right now.
No, we're gonna watch Enzo get a mouse. Oh yeah, mouse in the chat. Funny, guys. Funny. Yeah. Well, everything's closed, so and I can't drive right now because I'm on gummies. So
he's like, there's a toy.
Oh yeah, there's a toy. It's a live toy. He's gonna go. He's gonna get him. He's gonna get the mouse, you guys. It's gonna come out.
I don't have pickle juice.
Shh. I don't want to be quiet. I'm about to scream. Oh, you guys, there's a mouse in my house. That right? Or it's a snake. Oh yeah, let's just have a snake in here. Yeah. Oh shit. I seen it. You seen it? You stove. I'm not moving my damn stove. I'm not moving my dang stove. You move your dang stove. I ain't moving mine. No. You want to see me run out this door so quick? I'll be running. Let us watch him get it. Oh my God. I'm going to move the stove. I'm going to move the damn stove, dude. And so,
Why does my stomach feel so like this?
Oh my God. No, I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. There's no way. There's just no way. There, you guys want to see? Look. Yeah, or watch Danny have a cow. Yeah. There's nothing in there. All right, we're good. There's nothing in there. There's nothing. You're good to go. No, it's not by my feet.
What about a cockroach?
No, there's no cockroaches in here, okay?
I don't know. There could be a cockroach.
Danny, it ran by you. No, it didn't. Stop saying it ran by me. No, it did not run by me. Y'all, it's hiding. No, it's not hiding. It's somewhere in the freaking house, running around where one runs around with. Okay?
Danny's right there. I'm not kidding. You just fucking missed it, dude.
Stop
Danny,
it.
I'm not
It's
fucking
not
lying.
funny. Stop. It's not behind. Where is it?
Other side.
You guys stop playing. You guys are lying. I saw it. No. You guys really saw it?
Yes, it ran right behind you.
You guys, is it really? Guys, stop it. You guys are lying to me. You're lying. This is not funny. This is a serious thing. Stop it. The mouse did not run. It did not run. No, it did not. The little mousey did not do that. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. It did. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. No, there's no mouse that ran. Thank you, Bridget. Yeah, I saw Bridget. Yeah, there's no mousy mouse. You guys are mouses. You guys are all little mouses. Yeah.
He followed you home from PetSmart.
No, he did not follow me home from PetSmart.
No, he really did, because he knew that you had a cat. And it wanted to be Tom and Jerry.
No, it's Stuart Little. That's what it is. Oh, I found. You know what, Gabi? Let's see if you can imitate me. I want to see. I want to see this.
Jerry.
Tom and Jerry. It's Ratatouille. Yeah, it's definitely Ratatouille. I agree. I think it's Ratatouille.
Turn the lights off. Yes, that would be fun. What? With Danny? Imitating Danny?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. No, you definitely got to imitate me now. I have to eat because damn, like this. Hold on. What is this? Ooh, strawberries. Look at this. These are frozen chocolate.